Water. It is the lifeblood of our planet. But for decades we've looked at the ocean's resources and seen limits. We saw waste. We saw salt. At MediSun, we see things differently. Where others see industrial byproduct, we see a beginning. Our mission is simple yet revolutionary. Creating value from brine. We are unlocking the hidden potential in the water we already have. We don't just treat water, we decipher it through science. We turn the problem of scarcity into a solution of abundance. 2025 was our year of momentum, a year where we turned innovation into action and laid the groundwork for a transformative future. We proved that sustainability and industrial growth aren't opposites. They are partners. It starts with our technology. This year, we completed our commercial WEGen R.E.D stacks. We harness the salinity gradient power, generating renewable energy directly from the difference between salt and fresh water. Our approach is so robust, we advanced to Stage 2 of the global XPRIZE water scarcity competition. We stood out with a low SEC desalination integrating reverse electrodialysis and forward osmosis. We also launched Project Elixir, a groundbreaking initiative deploying WEGen Green and R.E.D at an Abu Dhabi steel facility, extracting high-value MgCO3 from brine. We turned validation into commercial reality. With a landmark $2.7 million contract with a steel manufacturing facility in Abu Dhabi, we are unlocking a pathway to 100x industrial scale. We took our mission to the world stage, from the World Economic Forum to the Global Water Expo and the World Utilities Congress. At every major summit, we stood shoulder to shoulder with industry giants, cementing MediSun as a global leader in water security. But technology needs scale. That's why we forged a global partnership with GreenTech Environmental. Together, we are rolling out NewaterHouse. By integrating MediSun's proprietary brine house technology, we are delivering a deployable, high-capacity solution that brings circular water treatment anywhere it's needed. We are covering every angle of the water crisis, from large-scale infrastructure projects in the Middle East to rapid response mobile systems with full mini-reverse osmosis capabilities. We are expanding our footprint. From our R&D center in Jeju, Korea, to our pilot projects in Saudi Arabia and Abu Dhabi. We are working with the best: King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, the START Center, Khalifa University, Trevi Systems, and the Saudi Water Authority. Our growth is powered by trust, building a powerful coalition that is now fueling our global deployment. Trust in our vision to create a circular water economy. Looking ahead to 2026, we are shifting gears. We are moving from development to deployment, from innovation to impact. Join us as we build a sustainable tomorrow. The future is fluid. It belongs to those who can see the value hidden in the drop. We are MediSun, created by the ocean, deciphered by science.